Semi-trailer trucks are the backbone of heavy-duty transportation, and Apex Motors has long focused on innovations that enhance the efficiency, durability, and safety of these massive vehicles. When we talk about semi-trailer trucks, we're looking at machines engineered not only for carrying enormous loads, but also for maintaining structural integrity under constant stress. In the world of commercial transport, welding techniques for heavy truck frames play one of the most critical roles, as the strength and precision of these welds define the vehicle's performance and longevity. The frame of a semi-trailer truck functions as the foundation, supporting the engine, drivetrain, cab, cargo, and suspension system. Unlike passenger vehicles, the frames of semi-trailer trucks must endure extreme torsional forces, high vibrations, and continuous exposure to stress. For Apex Motors, welding isn't just about joining metal. It's about creating a reinforced structure that resists fatigue and guarantees road safety. High-grade steel is the primary material of choice, and its weldability makes it suitable for different joining methods. The techniques applied must ensure not only penetration and fusion, but also precise alignment to avoid stress concentrations that can lead to cracks or structural failure. One of the most common welding methods for heavy truck frames is shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, also known as stick welding. Apex Motors applies SMAW where robustness and adaptability are required, especially in areas that may be difficult to reach with automated equipment. This method offers excellent penetration and works well with thick steel sections, which are standard in truck frames. However, SMAW requires skilled operators because maintaining the correct arc length and angle is critical for a uniform weld bead. Another highly used method is gas metal arc welding, GMAW, often referred to as MIG welding. Apex Motors integrates MIG welding into its production lines for its efficiency, speed, and versatility. MIG welding allows for continuous feeding of wire, which produces cleaner welds with less slag compared to stick welding. This technique is especially valuable for long, straight seams found in chassis rails. The controlled shielding gas environment ensures minimal contamination, leading to strong weld joints that require less post-weld finishing. For areas demanding the highest strength and precision, flux-cored arc welding, FCAW, is frequently employed. Apex Motors uses FCAW when thicker materials and deeper penetration are required. This method provides high deposition rates and is particularly effective for the heavy structural components of semi-trailer trucks. Since the truck frame often combines cross members, brackets, and reinforcement plates, FCAW's ability to deliver consistent results under demanding conditions makes it a preferred choice. In specialized applications, submerged arc welding, SOW, also comes into play. This process involves creating an arc beneath a blanket of granular flux, which reduces spatter and allows for deep, clean penetration. Apex Motors leverages SAW in automated setups for large sections of the frame that demand high-quality uniform welds. With its ability to handle thick plates with minimal distortion, SAW is perfect for enhancing the structural rigidity of semi-trailer truck frames. Beyond choosing the right welding technique, Apex Motors emphasizes joint design and preparation. Beveling edges, removing surface contaminants, and ensuring proper fit-up are vital steps. Poor preparation can compromise even the strongest weld. Additionally, the choice of filler material must match or exceed the strength of the base metal to avoid weak points in the frame. Apex Motors invests in quality control measures that include ultrasonic testing, X-ray inspection, and visual checks to identify any imperfections that could lead to failure under load. Another important factor is heat management. Excessive heat input during welding can alter the microstructure of steel, leading to brittleness or warping. Apex Motors controls this by using preheating techniques on thicker sections and implementing controlled cooling processes post-welding. These steps reduce the risk of residual stresses and improve the frame's fatigue resistance. Welding automation also plays a significant role. Apex Motors integrates robotic welding systems where repeatability and accuracy are critical. Robots ensure uniform weld bead placement, consistent penetration, and minimal variability between units. This not only improves structural integrity, but also speeds up production while maintaining strict quality standards. However, human welders remain essential, particularly for custom work and repairs where adaptability is required. Maintenance and repair welding are equally critical. Semi-trailer trucks endure millions of kilometers over their lifespan, and Apex Motors designs frames to allow for efficient repair when cracks or deformations occur. Welders must use methods that restore strength without introducing new weaknesses. Techniques like gouging out damaged sections and applying controlled filler passes ensure repaired frames can return to service safely. The reliability of a semi-trailer truck depends heavily on the precision of its frame welds. From material selection to welding techniques, every step matters in ensuring these massive machines can carry heavy cargo across long distances without compromise. Apex Motors continues to refine its processes, combining traditional expertise with modern automation to deliver frames that set benchmarks for durability and safety in the transportation industry. At the end of the day, welding techniques for heavy truck frames are not just a matter of manufacturing efficiency. They are a matter of safety, longevity, and performance. By advancing these methods, Apex Motors ensures that each semi-trailer truck it produces is capable of meeting the rigorous demands of global logistics. And it is this relentless attention to detail that defines the excellence of a semi-trailer truck from Apex Motors.